Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can make muscular body in just 30 days. It's very easier. It's easier than you think, okay? You don't need to go to gym, you don't need to buy muscle protein gains and etc and you don't need to waste your money. You can easily get with this body through an app. Its app name is the home workout app. It's a very good app. It has 4.9 rating on Play Store. Okay, it's very good app. Here you can do beginner exercises, intermediate exercises and advanced exercises. It's full exercise course is 1 month, and if you complete it through your heart, then you will see several amazing changes in your body. Okay, so download this app now and see what next you absorb in your body. If you like the video, subscribe the channel. Yo.